Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you find this account. So right here on the screen is a free 10k dollars 3-step challenge account that I'm going to be showing you how you can claim right here in this video. And as you can see, I have already gotten mine. I'm only waiting for them to send it to me. Okay, so make sure you watch this video carefully. Before I start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, take a moment right now and subscribe, because recently I've been dropping a free PROPFIRM account, a free PROPFIRM challenge account, and a free no deposit bonus account, and a lot of people have already been placing their withdrawal. So I bet you don't want to miss out on this. So now the first thing you have to do, if you are just watching this video, is for you to click on the link in the description of this video and the link in the comment section, which will take you to my Telegram channel, where you'll be getting access to this link on the screen right here, where you're going to be getting your free $10,000 3-step challenge account right here. It's not a competition account, it's a challenge account. You are not competing with anyone, you are only competing with yourself, all right, with your skill. So once you've clicked on the link, this is where you'll be taken to right here on the screen. So this is where you'll be taken to right here on the screen, and as you can see, the name of this platform is called Blueberry. Now they are giving out a free funded account of $10,000 3-step challenge account, and as you can see, it is only per one person, and it is also for the first 1,000 verified entries. And I'll be showing you how you can actually get verified and enter. Now this does not involve KYC verification. Immediately you are done, make sure you go and claim it right here and right now, so that you won't miss out on it. A lot of people are already getting it. So once you've got into an interface like this, just make sure you enter your name. So let us be fast with it so that we won't miss out on it. All right, so enter your email. Okay, so I'm going to be entering my email right now. So once you've entered your email, enter your Discord name. And for a lot of you who have not yet created a Discord account, go to your Google Play Store. Let's go to our Google Play Store. So go to your Google Play Store to download the app called Discord. So Discord, let's search for it. We have to be very fast. I don't want this video to be long. So this is the Discord app. And as you can see right here on the screen, let me update it first. So that's the Discord app. Just download yours. So once you've downloaded yours already, what's going to happen is that you are going to be entering your Discord username, and I will show you how to see your Discord username. So once you've entered your Discord username right here, select the country you are from. By now my Discord should have been done updating, so let's go and get our Discord username. So just click on Discord, open an account with them, verify the account very well. So click on this, your profile. Immediately you click on your profile. As you can see right here on the screen, this is our Discord username. So once you've copied the Discord username, let's copy it right here. Make sure you don't use my own Discord username, because if you do, you are not going to be getting your account. So make sure you use your own. I'm telling you, please don't make any mistakes. So I'm from Nigerian, so I'm going to be clicking on next. I've already claimed this account, but let's see how it goes. So as you can see right here on the screen, the next thing for you to do, I want you to note this. The email you entered the other time must not be the same with the PROPFIRM match account. Now I'm going to be showing you the PROPFIRM match account. I'm going to be showing you. This is what the PROPFIRM match account looks like, but we are getting there. So select, if you have you favorite Blue Fairy on FPM. So just click on no if you haven't, and immediately you click on no, just continue. And the next thing you are going to be doing, did you receive any giveaway account? Click on no also, and click on agree. So immediately you click on agree. The next thing you have to do right now is for you to go to your do something like this, screenshot something like this, make a screenshot of something like this. So let's go to prop match. This is it, prop match. So let's go to our Chrome to click on prop match. So let's click on prop match login. So immediately you click on it, click on this one, and you'll be taken to somewhere like this. all you have to do is to search for, make sure you sign up. And after you're done signing up, make sure you search for blueberry funded. Alright, search for blueberry funded. So right here on the screen is what you are to search for, and as you can see, this is it right here. So just click on it. Immediately you click on it, this is where you'll be taken to. Click on set as favorite. Set as favorite. Click on it right here. So immediately you set it as your favorite. Make sure you create an account with them. I already told you about that. Create an account with them, alright? So once you are done creating an account with them, all you have to do is for you to screenshot, because you can't set them as a favorite if you haven't created an account with them. So take a screenshot now. I'm sorry this video is kind of rough because I want you guys to go and claim it very quick. Alright, so come to this place, click on browse and upload the screenshots. Click on browse again and upload the screenshot. So immediately you are done uploading it, just go down and click on submit. So as you can see, this is it. Thank you for submitting. We will review your entry, and if eligible, issue your $10K 3-step challenge account to your registered email. Keep your eye on it. So this is what you're going to be receiving. As you can see, you've already filled in the form. You are part of the 1,000 first people. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to do this immediately after watching this video. Create the account. I love you all. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe.